All right. So as I was saying, thank you. Yes, as I was saying, the language is not the priority first. That's not what you should look at first. First is how do you solve a problem. So let's say, okay, let me say a very simple problem. You want to sum two numbers. So what are the step-by-step procedures? That's where the algorithm comes in place. Because algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solving a problem. So I want to add two numbers. What steps will I take? So my first step will be that, okay, get the first number or get how many numbers I want to sum. So when I've gotten the numbers, how many numbers I want to sum, if there are two, get the first number, get the second number, sum them together, add them together. So you should know which operation are using the plus, are using the divide, are using the multiplication. So once you've decided, okay, since I want to sum it, I'm using plus, then you get your answer. So as you have been able to create a step-by-step procedure to the problem you want to solve, then you can now choose a language to help you achieve that. So the first way to see it is, first of all, understand the problem statement. Once you've understood the problem statement, then understand the solution. How do you go about solving it? So I advise that even before, if you get a problem, before you start trying to write the code, first of all, sit back, analyze the problem, then think about the solution to go about it. So when you found the solution, you can even explain it to a layman. You can explain it, can break it down. Then you can now choose a language. So we are in this cohort, like I said, we are the current cohort we are doing using Java, and Java is a very like I said, is a very good programming language. Java has been there for very long, so Java has a big community. So if you're having a problem and you check the internet, the chances are they're like 90% chances that somebody else have asked that same question or must have had similar problem, and then it has been solved somewhere. You get, so there's a large community of developers, and then Java is such that Java is strictly typed in such that in a way that if you can learn Java, it seems like a very it teaches you like the basics. If you learn Java now, then learning other languages become very easy. So if you learn Java, if you want to switch from Java to Python, it's very simple, because then in Java Java makes sure that you follow. It's very structured, makes you follow the right process. You need to follow, like you need to follow instruction there. Yes, that's the way I can think about it. Because in Java now, there are many things that will not be allowed. You need to define what you want to do. You need to be very clear with what you want to do. So unlike some other programming language that have loose in their own application, although they are easier. So I would advise, if you're learning Java, because when you learn Java, it helps you to like easily migrate to other programming languages. Like I've read that if somebody learns how to drive like the manual, it's easy to just move to the automatic. So it's something like that. So Java is a very good language. It helps with enterprise applications. Enterprise applications, like all these big companies that you see now, they make use of Java. So a framework, like I said in the previous slide, the framework you can use with Java is you can use the Spring Boot. Yes. So I'll just share my screen in a minute. Just write a program. Just show you how it looks like. So then in Java, we have the Java Standard Edition. Then we have the Java Enterprise Edition. So for you to start Java, there's a concept you need to understand, because you cannot remove Java from this concept. And like I already told you, the language should not be the first priority. The priority should be understanding the problem and knowing how to go about solving it. Then you now pick a language as a tool to help you achieve that solution you've already thought about. So, and then with the tool we are using here,